Jai Gurudev to everyone. This is Manakshi and today I am taking revision of maths of class 7th standard. Lesson number 1, knowing numbers, integers, exercise number 1.4. Question number 1, it is given, evaluate each of the following. So here we have to evaluate. So what is given in the question, that we will see first. So here it is given in the question, minus 64 divided by minus 8. It means here we have to perform the division. So here we will write minus 64 divided by minus 8. So minus divided by minus will be plus. It means our answer will come positive. And 64 divided by 8. So 8 into 1 is 8 and 8 into 8 is equals to 64. So here we will get the answer as plus 8. Then the next B question, it is given, minus 45 divided by 9. So first observe the sign of it. Here minus 45 is given and here plus 9. So plus minus is minus. And 45 divided by 9 means 9 into 1 is 9 and 9 into 5 is 45. So here we will write minus 5. Then next it is given 4 divided by minus 3 plus minus 1. So here 4 divided by minus 3 plus minus 1. So first we will simplify the bracket here. So it will become 4 divided by, so bracket minus 3 we will write as it is and plus into minus will be minus. So here minus 1, which is equals to 4 divided by minus into minus will be plus. It means here we have to perform the addition and 3 plus 1 is 4. But here 3 is the greater digit and the sign of 3 is minus. So here we will write minus 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. But here it is given minus 4. It means 4 divided by minus 4 is equals to minus 1. Then the next D, it is given minus 25 divided by minus 25. So minus minus will be plus and 25 divided by 25 equals to 1. We can write in this way also, that is minus 25 divided by minus 25. So here minus minus will get cancelled, 25 into 1 and 25 into 1. It will get 1 divided by 1 and 1 divided by 1 equals to 1. It means you can perform the cancellation also. Then the next it is given 0 divided by minus 12. 0 divided by any number will give 0 as a answer. So if any number means if 0 divided with any number, then it will be 0 only. Then the next it is given minus 41 divided by minus 40 plus minus 1. So first we will simplify this bracket. So what is given here, minus 41 we will write as it is, divided by, here we will remove the bracket, so it will be minus 40 and it is plus into minus will be minus 1. That equals to minus 41 divided by, now here minus minus is plus. So here 40 plus 1 is 41, but here we will write the sign minus because sign for 40 is minus. Now here when we divide minus 41, so we know that minus divided by minus equals to plus and 41 divided by 41 equals to plus 1. Then the next it is given G, minus 30 plus 5 divided by minus 20 plus minus 5. So first we will simplify the bracket. Minus 30 we will remove the bracket and plus 5 divided by minus 20. Here plus minus will be minus 5. Now simplify the bracket. So what is given here, minus plus will be minus, means 30 minus 5 will be 25 and here 30 is a greater number, so here we will write minus 25 as the sign of 30 is minus. Then divided by minus will be plus. So here we will write minus 25, and minus 25 divided by minus 25 equals to plus 1. Then the next h, we will simplify it, that is 46 divided plus minus 4 divided by minus 18 plus minus 3. So we will remove the bracket and we will simplify the sign which are given in the form of division. So here we will write 46 plus into minus will be minus 4, then divided by minus 18 plus minus will be minus 3. Now 46 minus 4 is equals to 42, then divided by minus will be plus, and 18 plus 3 is equals to 21. It means here we will write minus 21. Now 42 divided by 21, so 21 into 1 and 21 into 2. It means here we will get 2 divided by minus 1, and 2 divided by minus 1 equals to minus 2. Then the next question, it is given, write the 5 pair of integers a, b such that a divided by b equals to minus 2. It means here in this question we have to take the pair of integer which is in the form of a comma b, and when we divide that two integer we should get the answer as minus 2. So here we will take any two integers. So first I will take integer as minus 4 and 2 in the form of a plus b. So when I divide it, that is minus 4 divided by 2, I will get answer as minus 2. Then again one more integer we have to take. I can take minus 6 and 3. Yes. So when I divide it, that is minus 6 divided by 3. 3 into 1, 3 into 2. Here I will get minus 2 as a result. So how many we want? We want 5 pairs. Now again one more pair we can take, minus 8 comma 16. These pairs you have to think, okay? So here minus 8 divided by 16 equals to, here 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. It means here we will get minus 2, because minus is divided by plus 16 will be minus 2. Now again one more pair we want, so we can take 20 comma 10. So here when 20 divided by minus 10, it will give answer minus 2. Then again we can take 30 divided by minus 15. So when we divide 30 with 15, we will get 2, and if it is minus we have taken the integer, it means the result will be negative. So 30 divided by minus 15 equals to minus 2. So this is how we have to find out the pair of integers. Then the next question, it is given divide. So simply we know how to divide. We have did it in earlier classes also. Okay, so here it is given 125 divided by, divide 125 by minus 5. So here we will write 125 divided by minus 5. So here I told you, you can do the cancellation also, that is 125 divided by 5. 5 into 1, 5 into 2 is 10. Then what is left here? 2. So 5 into 5 is 25. And here sign is minus, so we will get result as minus 25. Then the next is 0 divided by 5. Just now I told you that 0 divided by any number will be equals to 0. Then in next question, see, that is given 23 divided by 0. 23 divided by 0 is not defined. It is not defined. We cannot define if any number is divided with 0. Then the next, it is given minus 9999 divided by 99. So here we can perform a cancellation method, 99. So 99 into 1, then here it is 4 digit number, so here we will take 0, and again 99 into 1 is 99. So here we will get answer as minus 101, because here 9999 is negative. Then the next question, it is given minus 180 divided by minus 9. Simply do cancellation, because it will be more easy for you. So minus minus will get cancelled. Then 9 into 1, 9 into 2, and here 9 into 0. So it will get plus 20, because minus minus will become plus. Then next it is given minus 45 divided by 45. So we know that 45 divided by 45 equals to 1, but here sign is given minus and here it is plus. So plus minus will be minus. Then the next is, it is given minus 18 divided by minus 1. So minus minus will be plus, and 18 divided by 1 will be equals to 18. Then the next it is given minus 72 divided by 18. And we know that 18 into 1 is 18, and 18 into 4 is equals to 72, and plus minus will be minus. So here we will get minus 4. So I hope this exercise is understood by you. Thank you so much.